Hello my friends and welcome. My name is Dennis and today I'm gonna show you one tip how to handle your motorcycle final drive. I already washed here, so there were a lot of old lubrication here on this bearing on the final drive, this fitting, and now I'm gonna put the new oil here, new lubricant, especially for the final drive. I will use this one, the thing that Evgeny gave to me, so I will put it there. Here we go. We don't need a lot, just a bit, to make sure that everything is fine. So like this, you go step by step everywhere. See you guys.